Hello and welcome to the episode 160. So now it's the first week our new adventure starts here. It's a couple of weeks before we leave port here, but lots to do. We're gonna take up the boat and clean it under and paint the bottom with anti-falling paint. Then we're gonna have visitors from Sweden. Gonna have a 60-year party for one of them. But for now we're just gonna make boat works and have a good time for the rest of the summer month here. So, hello, I'm Johan.
And I'm Sanna.
And this is Ozzy. And we took a chance and bought a boat and sailed away over the ocean.
And we ended up in Povo de Varzim in Portugal.
But on the way there was some trouble we have to fix on the way.
And it was a lot of bad weather.
And even some snow
happened.
And now we're ready for the next adventure.
Yes, we are changing our anchor to another one, a safer anchor. We'll see. There's Ozzy helping out, and there's Johan with a new anchor in the wagon, a Vulcan 25 kilo. We are changing anchor now to a Vulcan 25 kilo, and we have switched the ends on the anchor line, anchor chain, and now he's fastening the anchor, and we are going to put it in. Do you see the birds, Ozzy? That's it. Anchor. Yeah, and we are taking it up.
Careful.
Yeah. I have to turn.
Yeah.
Go down a bit.
Yeah, I think I have to do that.
And today is no waves. Next time it's...
It always happens, I have to say.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Time to get the foresail up. We have that modified before we left, so now it's gonna go up. See if someone will help me. Cleaning. Help me with the sail, please. On the right. I think so. Could you roll it up?
Yeah.
So, because I bought this sail on an advertising, it was a bit too long for this boat. We thought it wasn't, but it wasn't. So I redid it at the sail maker before he left, but he shortened this thing that's going in there. So it's a bit hard to get it in, and the same in the bottom, very short. So now the sail is 25 centimeters shorter than before. So I need that one. Now you have to pull on the halyard side. That you're gonna pull, but not now.
Ska jag dra? Do you remember the knot?
You're holding here and let it in when I'm rolling it in.
Yes.
That was hard.
Yeah.
And now I need to find the other blue line
Yeah.
to this side.
Yeah. You found the other one? The other blue line?
Ozzy here.
Yeah, it's Ozzy hair all over. Oh. Mm-mm-mm-mm.
So nice and tight. Rolled up. The blue lines is on the right track here. Hang up the lines there so it doesn't get wet. Now it's thinner. Time to put the dinghy motor on the dinghy. So that doesn't need to be lifted up on Monday. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna drop it now.
Good.
When was it lost? 6 months ago?
Yeah. Is it any petrol in there?
Or some
Yeah, in the
small
bottom.
amount there. No. See if we have more petrol.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now it's full.
Yeah. So 3 times from now.
Again.
Yeah. Yeah. And the second. Nice.
And shoes.
Some shoes, a leash maybe. And the dog. I'm going to fetch the leash. We take the short one. No problem for him.
No, the leash.
Yeah.
We're going to the beach.
Yeah.
Cast off.
Yeah. Ozzy, back off. Yeah, okay. I'm going to be wet in the bottom.
Oh. Anticlimax.
Yeah.
See you later, boat.
See you later, Hemhaid. There's Wilde Swan and our other good neighbors. Here's a catamaran over there. So
We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
that's a nice boat, the brown one there.
Wooden boat.
Yeah, it's very nice.
This one is nice.
Okay. Yeah, not for me.
Okay.
Ozzy's waiting to go on the shore. So, okay. Oh, no, Ozzy.
Ozzy! Juhu!
Mobilen har jag i fickan också. Helvete.
Mister, can I see your bum? Please, she sat on the bottom of the... Not so clean water.
No. And I've cleaned.
Ozzy find a friend here. But she was not interested. But some more fun. Yeah. Now we lose. Up it. Oh, wait. All wet over Sanna's seat.
Yeah, I'm already wet. So it's shoes are the best when you are going to be in the water.
Well, you can see it like it's your first adventure of the new trip. Now it's my turn.
Yeah.
Like that.
I think it's the best if you don't have shoes
No,
when you are going.
and no underwear.
Yeah, it was an adventure. And a big dog on the... and he's a bit wet in the bottom too. You don't have to row back. That's perfect. Oh, what's in the bottom here? Good.
I know there is a rock here somewhere, but it's high tide now, so I think we...
So, now we're back. Wet in the bottom. And the motor was good. Jump! Come on! Good boy! To here, and Ozzy is checking out. And Ozzy took a shower. Go to daddy! He doesn't like to get wet in the face. Stop! Oh, see! Oh!
Today we had a brilliant idea. There was so much stuff in my bed, so I just had one place there, and Sanna's bed was one with full of stuffing, and her mattress is a bit smelly. She complained about that. So now we have done the bed all in here. You can see it for all the stuff, but we're gonna sleep both of us here, so we can have tools and stuff here, so we don't have to have it on the floor here and inside. And Sanna is
taking off the cover here because you see it's very moisture.
Is it moist now?
Moist.
It has been,
the cover
at least.
is, and this is wet. So I think we have to cut off the outer shell, and after that.
But should we save the foam there?
Yeah.
But it takes a lot of space.
You can put it in the bed, back in the
Yeah,
bed.
but we need the space for the tools
Yeah.
and stuff.
Hey, Ozzy.
So when you do it like this, you can see that.
It's very nice.
Yeah,
inside.
the foam is okay.
Yes.
But how
you
long
have
is the
to-
foam okay when you take off the cover?
Yeah, but we are going to wash it, and you have to wash sometimes.
So you're going to put that back,
Yeah.
even on my bed.
Yes. We don't have to do it today, but so.
No, see, you don't have a place left. No, every floor is
He
covered.
wants to go out. He heard it's new people
Ja,
in the dock. So
en ny
come on,
båt.
go
Hopp ut!
out.
Gå ut, får du gå ut då?
So good boy. Check out. It's a bit hard to. So
Yeah, so continue with rearranging everything again. And the weather is
it's raining today.
so it's
That's why we
in the
are
indoor world.
cleaning
Yeah.
inside and fixing stuff.
And organizing. Yeah.
Yeah, so we put it back.
Now,
Now put the hell mattress back. Oops, I came too close. Ah, looky.
so, but the other mattresses, we have 1, 2, 3. This is.
We can put one. This one is very nice, and put it under there.
No, not.
No?
But we can have that one and that one in your bed, and so we can take it out if somebody is gonna sleep in that one, or here.
Yeah.
Today it looks like a nice day. So we have laundry. That's the cover for the bed mattress. And Sanna is, I don't know what she's doing, but here is one on the phone with Sweden. And looking for dog food in the cupboard. So it looks like that. And I try to wash the boat with my new high pressure machine. Small one. Very small and handy. And I can show you how I've done this side. So here's the difference. So I'm gonna do all this, all over there. It's gonna be very wet, but I think it's gonna be dry with the sun. And my forepeak here, I have to wash off, and I'm gonna paint this piece here, or Sanna. That's today's project. I hope to put in the generator and start the engine today also. We'll see. You do want to do a lot of stuff in a day, but usually not half of you think. Can you make a summary of the day?
Yeah,
What have you been done?
we have been cleaning in the boat, outside and inside, putting out all stuff from the compartments and sort out things that we are going to keep.
Again?
Or not keep. Yeah, again. One more time. And still one more to left, I guess. And after that we went to the beach and Ozzy was swimming and running, and after that we went up to the reception, the marina, and paid for another month. So now we have paid until October 17, and we booked a time to pick up the boat on the hard. So they are going to wash it for us, and we are going to scrape it and paint it. So that's on Monday, and today it's Friday. No, it's Thursday. So tomorrow we have to buy all the stuff we need for the paint job. Tomorrow we have
After work.
After work. I don't remember because I don't work anymore.
So how can we have after work if you don't work?
Yeah, we have been working hard in the boat. Tomorrow we have after work with Monique and Just.
In that boat?
Yeah, and Jan in that boat. Yeah, so we are going to be 5 persons and a dog. The end of the day.
So today we have after work, it's Friday. The boat neighbors. Hello everybody.
Hello.
So this couple here have that boat and he has that boat. And of course we are on the smallest boat and it's blowing and the food is flying around and we have a new red wine stain on deck.
Yeah, it's not that I have been...
No leakage, no leakage.
Okay.
Yeah.
We just had Sanna showing her capacities of her flexibility.
Yeah, she fall down there, of course. Didn't break anything? No bones, no hands?
So this time.
Not this time.
No, it was elegant maneuver.
I had the most of